military differences between the two governments. Pakistan would prefer to have peace with the Taliban, while the US government is striving to defeat them. Why ISI is bent on making a public issue of the Davis case still remains unanswered. Is it that ISI wanted to raise its own stock among the radical Islamist elements? Or is it to project a profile of standing up against the pressures in the US, even while the government remains so much dependent on Washington for support, both military and financial? Has it something to do with the idea that the US is so dependent on Pakistan's support for its outback policy that it cannot complain much, even as it is pushed hard to the corner over the Davis affair? The scandal from the Davis affair has driven public opinion in Pakistan to such a pitch that it will be hard for the government to retract without a loss of face before its own people. But as in the past, when pushed to the extreme, Islamabad has made speedy U-turns. Whether another U-turn by the government in Islamabad will provide the way out of this tight corner is something we shall have to wait and see.
You just heard commentary on the Davis affair and after. Script was by M.K. Tikko, political commentator. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. We now bring you the program summary. IST 1546, UTC 1016. Hindustani classical vocal music features various artists. 1600 IST 1030 UTC, we bring you a special album Mahashivratri by Surendra Ajay Jain. 1611 IST 1041 UTC, one film features Aksar. 1620 IST 1050 UTC, you can tune into Press Review. Script is by D.G. Mahapatra, journalist. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. In Hindustani classical vocal music, we bring you various programs.